today I will tell you a very simple function about Excel, which is called arranging of files. If you want to work in at the same time in two files and you want to get the data from one file to another file, you want to see them at the same time, then it is very easy to do that. Let me tell you how. And this is the file which is called weekly paper receivable. I want to get the amounts from another file which is called new functions file. Here there are a lot of data about OPD, APD and prosthetic like that, but here there is no data, but it is in different file. I want to show them, I want to see them instantly at the same time in order to get the data, and I want to copy from here to here. For this purpose I will use the option view and arrange all function. Click on that. First of all, I will show tiled, horizontal, vertical and cascade. I want to get it in the tile form, then okay, it will come in this form. From here there is no need to go from here to here, so you can easily use this function to insert all the data from here to here. Now I will use split here. I will freeze the panes here. Freeze panes. Now I will insert all the data from here. OPD 45,000, 16,000 IPD, and same like that. I can copy here from here, and also I can move from one file to another file by pressing the tab plus alt, by pressing tab and alt to move from one file to another. It's a very easy way to move from one file to another. If I want to see these two files in another form like that, I want to arrange all in the horizontal form, then it comes like that. It comes like a horizontal form, up and down, and you can easily see the data from here to here, and you can also move from here to here. Another way of checking the looking at the files vertical, you can also come to the vertical and get the data from here to here. Another way of arranging the file is cascade. You can also come from here to here, the view in cascade. It's the easy way to show your different files at the same time, and you can copy the data and write the data in different ways. Hope you like that.